As we're in the I section right now, let's talk about the top row, JI, QI, and XI briefly. So JI, a very useful common word for this would be the word for how many when you're talking about small numbers only, right? So relatively small, sort of like 1 to 10-ish, right? So 几个. You notice what happened there with the fifth tone again? The contrarian tone, right? 几个 low, high. 几个. And the JI is the third tone, that zombie croaky tone, yeah? 几个. Now this 几个 is an interesting one because it's actually a question and an answer at the same time. So 几个 is how many, but 几个 is also the answer for a few, right? A few people or a few things. So technically, if you wanted to, it would sound a bit weird, but if you wanted to say how many and the other person said a few, you could say 几个 and they'd say 几个. So we can actually use this now to make a full sentence. How would you ask someone? So imagine you walked into a bar and you've seen your friend just passed out on the table, and you ask the bar owner or the service person, you just say, how many has he had? How many drinks has he had? How do you think you'd finish this sentence? 他喝了几个? 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 So try and hit every single tone. I'll slow it down for you. 他喝了几个? You notice that? You got real good practice for the fifth tones there. 喝了几个? 他喝了几个?